All right, so now we're gonna work through our blackened tilapia recipe. It's actually topped with a mango avocado salsa. So the first thing I wanna do is get that started. So we're gonna take some fresh cut mango, some avocado, a little salt, a little pepper. We're gonna go ahead and set that to the side. Oops, we're gonna hit it with a little bit of lime. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna season the tilapia. We're gonna use a blackened seasoning. We wanna make sure that we get both sides. And if you like it a little spicier, add a little extra seasoning. Okay, so we want to make sure that we mix up that salsa. That way the lime juice really gets around there, the salt and pepper. Again, set that aside. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to sear the tilapia. I've got this pan heating up. You want to make sure that you oil your pan properly so that your fish doesn't stick. You want to make sure that pan is nice and hot so that you get a good sear on your fish. There we go. The great thing about tilapia is it's super lean, cooks really quick. You can get it both fresh and frozen. All right, so the bed of this dish is gonna be set with some quinoa, which is actually a seed rather than a grain. This is another thing that you can buy already cooked if you'd like, or you can prepare it yourself, really up to you. So the fish is just about ready. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it right from here. All right. And then I'm going to top it with that beautiful mango avocado salsa. If you want a little more lime, feel free to put it on there. And you are ready to eat. Super good, tons of flavor with that blackened seasoning. And that kiss of lime is perfect. Up next, we're gonna do a Thai chicken pita pizza, so stay tuned.